I know how you feel, Dumbo. But you gotta pull yourself together. What would your mother think of you if she saw you crying like this? Remember, you come of a proud race. Why, you're a pachyderm, and pachyderms don't cry. What's crying get you anyhow? Nothing but the hiccups. There, you see? Well, ain't nothing little water won't cure. Oops-a-daisy. We'll have you fixed up in a jiffy. Come on. Here, take a trunk full. Listen, little fella. We may have had a lot of hard luck up till now, but you and me is gonna do big things together. Hold your breath. Why, your mother's gonna be so proud of you. I'm gonna be proud of you, too. The whole circus is gonna be proud of you. Now, what do you think of that? Swallow it. Oh, they can't keep us down. Oh, I guess you had one little one left over. Dumbo, we'll bounce back so hard. Hey, what's the matter with you? What kind of water is this, anyhow? Balloonies. Hiya, George. That's a pretty strict schlick. All right. Let's see you blow a square one, pal. Say, that's very, very clever. Now blow a great